Hello everyone, and again welcome back to another new video of Pigeon. So today I'm going to feed some this water soaked chickpeas, brown chickpeas to these birds. So how they will react, I will show you that. They will just come and eat in my hand or not. So while they was they were young babies, they just come and eat in my hand. So now after a long time, I'm going to, as you can see, these beautiful birds are eating in my hand. So you can see these beautiful birds, they are just loving. So they are just loving to eat these water soaked chickpeas. So now I'm going to feed in this another loaf. They are little bit hungry. So you can see I have just cleaned this loft yesterday only. I have just cleaned all this loft. So today see the waste all these birds made. So let's see, I have just taken this chickpeas. They just don't come, they are not coming to eat in my hand. You can see, if I will throw in this floor, then they will come and eat, but in my hand they are not eating. So you can see, so this is the difference between having bonding with your birds and not having bonding with your birds. They are not having bonding with me, so that's why they are still scaring to eat in my hand. But I have showed you before some of my fantails, they are just coming in my hand to eat chickpeas. So this is the way how to have a bonding. So slowly you can see they are just not coming to eat in my hand. They are just trying, but they are being scared to eat in my hand. So if I will throw like this, then they will just come and eat it. See, this is the difference between hand tamed bird. Having a bonding with your bird is very important. As you can see, if I will touch this bird, then also they will not go. You can see this trained bird. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and just understand the having a good bonding with your birds is very important. So you can see this cute fancy bird, Lumi. This bird is very playful, you can see. So thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please, if you are new to this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified with my new upcoming videos.